The start of the ride is to a bike shop because Stevie has forgotten his helmet. Helmet purchased £90 later. He's got a lid, so we're going to head over to Healey Nab. It's not somewhere I've been for a long time. There was a big rave about it last year. Previously, it was all community maintained. There was a big storm, it wrecked all the trails, and it took a few years to get it back up and running. And last year, everyone was banging on it was mint. So it's been a year since that came out. We're going to head over there and see what the hype's about, if the trails have lived up, if they're still decent, or they need a bit of work. So we've got a bit of a pedal because of our detour, but we're going to head over to the res, and it's about 3 miles from here, from the barn, I think. Right, so we'll see you there. Nice, isn't it? So we've arrived at the Nab. We're not sure which way to go, but we saw someone over that way. So we'll explore the trails and see what they've got. It is a little bit wet, boggy, as Steve predicted. Now he's got his new helmet. Look at that, fancy. 90 quid later. Alright, so we seem to be at the fork of a red or a black. I'm not sure what to expect, but we'll just roll down the red, eh, Steve, and then see. This is the first ride on my new bike as well, so
possibly go wrong.
And I can't get on my left pedal because it's new. Maybe you should have ridden into this a bit faster. Tries to jump that rock then. Ooh, nearly. We have run out of gas here. And now it's pedaling. Oh, it still goes. That's longer than I thought. That was pretty good. It was miles better than I was expecting.
Right.
But we just got a bit of a... We're guessing this is the way back to the top, which is steep and rocky. Steve says he can pedal it no problem, even in that gear. 1, 2, gear 7. Do you want a hand? If he makes it, I'll be impressed. I was thinking about pushing, make more of a day of it. What gear am I in? Randomly, I'm in the same gear. Right, we all right to follow then? Yeah, what was your name, sorry?
Rob.
Rob, Phil, pleased to meet you.
Phil.
What's your name?
Eddie.
Steve, Eddie, pleased to meet you, mate.
Eddie.
It's always good to meet the locals because you find the best spots, don't you?
Yeah. Right, here we go. Yeah, only my second time here, by the way.
Oh, right, yeah. cheeky one, that. Oh, it's good, that. There is a push-up, but there's also a red cycle up. And if you go to the end of the fire road when you finish, you turn right when you finish and go to the end. There's a red signed ride up, which is quite nice actually. Don't mind this. Ooh. The actual push-up is not too bad if you don't go all the way to the bottom. We're going to try this unmarked natural trail. You good?
Yep.
I have to remember where to turn. Nearly missed it. Yeah, we'll go to the middle one. What's on the other side of this? Oh, it's alright. Right there. So we've done a few laps. We did the red, the black, the red, some of the off-piste stuff. Pretty good for a play. It's really friendly, loads of people just knocking around, people sessioning and stuff. It's a good place to come and just chill. It is a bit far away, so you need to bring some drinks and stuff, but I'd recommend it if you come for an evening or just session some bits. Not too bad. Jumps are in good conditions, trails are nice. Push-up's a bit of a killer, prefer the ride up. But yeah, it's alright, Healey Nab. Let me know if you've been. Drop a comment. See you in the next one.